Hi my amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how I transform these leftover rice and beans to something delicious and unresistible. Let's get started. Into my heating pan, I added a little olive oil, allowed to heat up. I went in with some chopped onions, all right. Give it a nice stir, saute for about 2 minutes. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to support us, subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I love you. Thank you for your support. So guys, over here I added my minced meat. Okay, for this particular one it is optional. Okay, you can use fish, chicken, yeah, any protein of choice. You can as well add your egg, yeah. So that is it. So guys, I'm going to be turning cooking until it is done. Over here, the minced meat is ready. Now go in with any seasonings of your choice. Okay, so I added little of curry powder, seasoned cubes. Yeah, you'll be adding depending on the quantity of your rice and beans. Okay, the last thing I added there was oregano. I gave it a nice mix. So I added some mixed vegetable. Okay, add to your taste. Yeah, you can add any one. Over here I'm going to be mixing everything. What we're going to be doing at this point is to be mixing. Okay, all right, beautiful people. Yeah, we are still cooking. Okay, so right away is the banga. Okay, over here I added the leftover rice and beans. So I'm going to be mixing until it is well combined. So beautiful people, guess what? I forgot to add my pepper. I went in with a fresh pepper and mixed everything until it is well combined, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Okay. Morning light across my space, quiet strength, gentle grace. So I topped it up with some green vegetables. Okay, so over here is spinach. Feel free, use any vegetable of choice. All right, this is frozen spinach. I blanched it and I stored in my freezer. If you really want to know how I do this, feel free, go to our videos. All right, it is there. I'm going to be pasting the link in the description box. Feel free, go there as well and watch it. So I covered the pot for about 2 minutes, and over here you can see 2 minutes is ready, and our leftover transformation is ready. I don't even know the name that I'm going to give this delicious recipe. Honestly, guys, we are done. It is ready. Honestly speaking, it is really delicious. No food is a waste. You can transform anything, any food, in any way you like it. 7. Enjoy. Moments simple, moments rare. From Nigeria to Germany, still cooking. Guys, this recipe tasted so super delicious, yummy-licious, that you cannot resist. After eating, you will keep asking for more. Honestly, I mean it. Will you be trying out this recipe? If you will, let me know what to think in the comment section. Yeah, that is it, my amazing people. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you for for engaging in my videos. Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. See you guys in our next cooking video. And remember, bye bye.